Right. Let's first talk about pricing and exactly how it works, right? So I'm on the UK version. In the United, everything's a little bit different. These are obviously the only places you can do it. You can't do it everywhere in the world yet. Looking at this, but in the United Kingdom, so what happens is as you set up your GoFundMe page, it will cost you, the person receiving the money, nothing, right? You don't have to pay to do it, and you don't have to commit to anything in the future to do it. So for you, it is free. So the question is, how does GoFundMe make money? Well, what it does, it takes a cut of every donation, right? So in the UK, GoFundMe platform for you is free. The transaction fees are 2.9% plus 25p on every donation. So what's that? Oh my god. Was it 2.9%? So on a £10 donation, what's 2.9%? £2.90 plus 25p. So it's going to cost £3.15. So if someone donates £10, GoFundMe are going to take £3 of that, £3.15 of that, right? Same further up, 1,000. They're going to take 3% of it. Well, sorry, they're going to take 2.9% plus 25p, right? So if you're asking for £1, they're going to take 2.9 pence plus another 25 pence. So they're going to take, if someone donates £1 to you, they're going to take 29 pence, right? So that's how they make money, right? It's included with that, and that is how they take their cut. I should have really done my maths better. I never understand how bad I am at maths until I start. I used to be all right at maths, but then now you just have a calculator on your computer, don't you? So same in America, 2.9% plus 30 cents per donation, and Australia 2.2% plus 30. So every country is a little bit different. 2.4, but then they have this crazy tax thing that they do. So that is how GoFundMe is going to make money, right? You're going to get 97% of the donation. Let's take it as that, right? They're going to take 3% cut. Now, what else you need to worry about, or not worry about, or think about is, how does this affect my income tax? So when I go to here, it says donations made to GoFundMe campaigns are usually considered to be personal gifts, which for the most part aren't taxed income. So it's basically your friends giving you a fiver. Here's a fiver to go and do that thing. The government are saying that's probably okay, but it's hazy, isn't it? However, there may be particular case-specific instances where the income is in fact taxable, depending on amounts received, use of the funds, etc. So you recommend you keep your records, donations received, and consult a tax professional. So it's going to be dependent on what you're asking for the money for. I'm pretty sure if you're doing it for a personal, I'm not going to say anything actually. I don't know, but they're basically saying for in the most part, it's probably going to be considered a personal gift if you're just asking for $10, $20. If you're getting into the thousands and you're asking for people for a lot of money, you might need to just keep an eye on that, right? So in essence, it's not going to affect your tax income too much, but don't quote me on that.